Okay, hello. So, super quick video, but basically, I've been collating a small asset database using Kitbash and Cargo, and also bespoke assets for this project. Quite a few things so far. There's lots still to do, but so originally the project was done with ShotGrid. But for one person, the outlay of ShotGrid just wasn't worth it, and that was quite a few years ago. So I've kept the folder structure or similar to what it was in ShotGrid, and now I'm just sort of adjusting it and making my own UI just so that I can load things quicker, save things quicker, etc. So what I've done so far is got all the assets, saved them out as USDs. Not all of them yet are not USDs, but quite a few of them are. And now I just do a quick little. So this is a quick asset finder that I have been creating. So now I just choose how I want it to look. So it looks like something like this, and then I can then reload it. So I shall create a new scene, and then I can open up my loader. All of this is still super early. It's also not the nicest. It's kind of really basic, but it does what I need it to do. So what did I just save? I can't remember. You can see there's quite a few I need to get screen grabs of. I did actually have screen grabs of them before, but I made a mistake, and when I did, so basically there's a different area where I can see all of these as bigger images, and basically when I did my resize script, instead of taking it into account, I just kept on pressing it a few times, and then what ended up happening was that the image was teeny tiny, so I couldn't even see what it was, and I stupidly did not do a backup of it. So I think it was that one we just did. And if I load it in, so what it does is it automatically loads in a Arnold Standin, a USD file, and names it here. I haven't got it so that I can do multiples where it adds an ID on the end or whatever. That will be my next step, as well as making sure that I populate all of these images. But it just means that I can quickly start to do my layout, because I need to tweak my layout at the moment. Let's just change my camera. So it's a bit nicer now. I can see, obviously you don't see in the textures, but if I quickly add in a quick physical sky, and yeah, so I could put on the Arnold renderer, and then we can see the textures coming through. To bit brighter so we can start to see what we're looking at. And let's load in another asset. That one. So it's added in the new building in there, and I can move out of the way. Oh, I think I might have to stop and restart, maybe, possibly, or maybe did the text just not come across? Not sure on that one. Oh, it looks like the text just didn't come across on that one. Okay, so we'll have to try a different one. Yeah, so obviously if there was more images on here it'd be a bit easier to see, but it's quite useful in the long run, because I can now grab that. I've got another asset, Earth. I don't think we've got Earth in here. No, Earth. Got another asset. So I can start building up my road and my city layout pretty quickly. I will be doing this in Maya and Houdini. So let's load that one. And so obviously, yes, everything is, there's no textures, but to be honest, that's in my view a bit easier on my GPU. It's not a super powerful GPU. And let's see if I've got one of these. Yep, I do. So, and so we now see the city can build up quite quickly. And yeah, so it'll take a little while for it to update. So I can now see through the viewport. Obviously it's quite slow this way. It looks nicer, but it's slow, so if I just put it back to viewport, eventually it'll sort itself out. So yeah, it's much quicker through viewport, and the next step will be just basically doing a quick thing to change it so I don't have to do this manually, and then that means I can release some memory quickly, and yeah, so that's it. Okay, thanks.